everyone, how are you guys doing? How is your day and how is your week? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a particular powder that you can use to lose at least 60 kg in at least 30 days. Okay, now this is just 1 month. This is just 4 weeks. Okay, so why not give this a try? Make it as a challenge yourself. Do not take too much of soda, too much of carbohydrate, and too much of butter and all of those stuff, and give yourself this challenge. Try this out and let me know how it is, because I'm very sure it's going to be amazing. It's going to help you a whole lot. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video so I could show you this powder, because it is so beautiful. I love it so much. The taste is amazing. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so these are some of the powders we're going to use to reduce some weight. Now you can actually use this for a couple of days, okay, and you're going to be seeing a whole lot of improvements in your weight, okay. Or you can call it bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is a great ingredient that helps so much when it comes to weight loss, yeah, but you have to actually take it very small, in a small quantity. So this is what I'm going to be needing for this. Just this pinch of the baking soda. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing to use garlic. Now this is garlic. Now how you're going to process your garlic, you can actually just cut your garlic, dry it, and then you blend it into a powder form like this. But other than that, even if you want to use the fresh one, you're free to go ahead. But the powdered one is something that you can just mix everything together, and then you would have to be taking them little by little and putting in your hot water every morning when you want to take this tea. So this is the baking soda and the garlic powder. Just a little pinch of baking soda is basically what you're going to be needing. And then also you're going to be making use of turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great ingredient that helps so much when it comes to weight loss. It helps to remove all of those annoying fats. Okay, so also a pinch of the baking turmeric powder is what we're going to be needing to mix this. And then you have to blend and mix this up. Okay, so after mixing this up, we're gonna be needing hot water. This is a hot water. I'm gonna keep it for it to cool a little bit. It's too hot for now. You're equally going to be needing ginger. Now I have my ginger powder, but I decided to use this fresh ginger so you could know that you can as well use fresh ginger or the ginger powder. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be peeling the ginger. I have ginger powder though, but I just chose to use this fresh ginger, so you guys can see that even if you do not have your dry one, you can use the fresh. But it is ideal you use the dry, because you can just mix it up and just every morning you just take it and then you use it. It's actually very easy. unlike this one that you'd have to go get and then start peeling, start blending. So I'm gonna be putting that in, and then we're gonna be putting just a little bit of water to enable me blend it. I'm gonna be blending. Okay, so after doing that, I'd have to sieve it into the hot water, and then we grab our powder. So this is what you're going to do with all of the powder mixture. You just take one teaspoon of it. That is actually 1 teaspoon. You just take 1 teaspoon and put it inside your hot water, and then you stir it. So you have to stir it for it to dissolve and dissolve very, very well. Okay. Okay, so after that is done, you will have to sieve it out. Okay guys, so go try this tea for at least once in a day. You're not going to only lose weight, but you're equally going to be very, very healthy, and your skin is going to glow. You're going to lose weight, your stomach is going to be flat, and your heart is going to pump blood really well. So what you do is that you're going to use this once in a day for at most 2 weeks, and you are good to go, guys. So go ahead and try this, give this a go, and you're going to be loving it. Okay, so that's it. Go give it a try. So that's it. You just have to mix everything up, you keep it, and then when you want to take it, you just grab 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, and then you put it into a hot water and sieve it out. Take your hot tea, and in 30 days you are going to see a huge result. So that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.